Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. One of the worst things that can happen to anyone who loves filming is finding out your video files have become corrupted. It can happen during uploading, downloading, or even just while saving them to an external SSD or HDD. I've experienced it myself, and trust me, it's a nightmare you don't want to go through. And today, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing app that can fix corrupted videos in just seconds. Whether it's a short clip from your phone or a large professional file from a high-end camera, Wondershare Repairs can handle even the worst cases of video damage. Be sure to check the links in the description once you've finished watching. There might be some great discounts waiting for you. Now, let's jump into how to fix your broken videos. First, go to the official Wondershare website and hit the download button in the top right corner. Once installed, launch Wondershare Repairs. You'll land on the main screen, where you'll see a sidebar with sections like Video Repair, More Types of Repair, AI Media Enhancer, and History Files. One of the app's strengths is that it supports videos from most major camera brands and repairs corrupted formats like MP4, AVI, and more. It supports all mainstream camera like Sony, Canon, Nikon, and more. It can handle issues caused by device failure, storage glitches, file transfer errors, and similar problems. Before diving in, you can switch on the professional mode, toggle for advanced options, but we'll cover that later. For now, click the start button. Next, hit add to import your corrupted video. I'll open a folder and select a file named Bicycle Simple. The file loads quickly and we just press repair. Since it's a small file, the repair process is almost instant. Now we simply click save. And wow, it worked. The video plays perfectly. I won't go through the whole thing, but it clearly opens without any issues. We can now preview it. Before we continue, I want to say, if you are enjoying this content, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. I try to make these videos helpful and a little entertaining too. Let's now explore the professional mode. When you enable it, a description of advanced features pops up. This mode is perfect for repairing RAW, log, or HDR video files from pro-level cameras. It also supports various professional formats, and the repaired videos are fully compatible with editing software like Premiere or Final Cut. I'll show you that part at the end of the video. For now, let's start another repair. We hit start, then click add and select another corrupted file. Now, at the bottom, enable the advanced mode toggle and hit repair. This mode requires a sample video recorded with the same camera and settings as the corrupted one. Depending on the file size and complexity, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once it's done, we can either save the video directly or preview it first. Let's preview. And yes, it looks beautiful. The video plays perfectly, with all the colors and texture fully preserved. Just look at that rich, vibrant sunset. The quality is exactly as it was in the original shoot. At this point, you can open the fixed video in any player or editor for personal or professional use. We hit save, and just like that, the high quality file is back. Wondershare Repairs is fast, reliable, and packed with advanced tools to make video repair easy for anyone. We've just scratched the surface of what this app can do. You can download it for free and try out other repair options. I also recommend checking out the built-in AI enhancer feature. It's super helpful. The bottom line, a corrupted video doesn't have to mean it's lost forever. Especially for pros working with critical footage, Wondershare Repairs offers a lifeline. Feel free to explore the links in the description. You might find some great deals. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.